What is your biggest career problem in 2023? I ran a survey and I asked this question to you on LinkedIn as well as on YouTube. And the results are quite surprising. There were options like I don't have a job which pays me enough money, or the workplace is toxic, or I feel stuck in my career and I don't know what is the path ahead. More than 55%, close to 60% people voted for the option which said that I am feeling stuck in my career and I don't know the path ahead or the road ahead. So if so many people feel stuck in their career, what are the possible causes? When I double clicked and spoke to few people, here are some of the reasons why people feel stuck. Surprisingly, number one reason is they don't have enough work. They have a job, but they don't have enough work, and that is why they don't know what to do. Sometimes they are just being tossed from one project to another, but they don't have enough work which is keeping them consumed, and that is why they feel stuck. They don't know what is the next step. On the contrary, another reason why people feel stuck is because they are doing the same repetitive, monotonous work for more than 3-4 years. Which means in year 1, they were doing the same work. In year 2, they were doing the same work. Year 3, they are doing the same work. Year 4 and 5, they are doing the same work. Which means on their resume, number of years of experience is increasing. They have 5 years of experience. But in those 5 years, they have done exactly the same thing. And that's why from inside, they feel that they are truly stuck in their careers. Some more reasons why people feel stuck is lack of learning opportunity. In their company, they have work, but they don't have any learning opportunity to learn a new technology, process, or domain. And last but not the least, people feel stuck because they don't see any growth opportunities. They don't know how to climb the ladder, how to get to the next level. And that is why they feel really stuck or caged in whatever they are doing today. Now, if you are in one of these situations, here is what I suggest you should do. First of all, if you don't have enough work, you can use that time to learn something. So please block some time for yourself to learn a new technology or a new domain. This will require discipline because nobody is going to tell you do that. You will have to block your own time and put efforts to learn something which is forward looking. In your company, if there are training programs, you may want to join that. Otherwise, there are tons of courses available on Coursera, Udemy, and other platforms where you can go and learn. These are not really very costly courses. Some of them are free and some of them are low cost courses. Having said that, if you are in a role where you are stuck for many years, the first step that you want to take is to go and have a dialogue with your superior. Whoever is your boss, whether it is a team leader or a project manager, please go and speak to them. Talk to them about your career progression. Seek input around what should you learn, what should you do, and how you can get exposure to newer things. Tell them upfront that you are doing the same monotonous work for many years now and you are looking for some change. And if you are actually looking for vertical growth, then the best way is to look at some role model in your company or in your organization or in the industry who is doing the next level role. So rather than thinking about next 10 years, at least identify the next step. For example, if you are a software development engineer, please find out what does it take to become a senior software engineer. Or if you're a senior software engineer, identify what does it take to become a tech lead or a team lead. So in a nutshell, what is the immediate next step? If you are a software tester, identify what does it take to become a test lead or a QA manager. If you are a business analyst, identify what does it take to become a product owner or a scrum master. If you are a team lead or a tech lead already, identify what does it take to become a project manager. Now, when I say identify what does it take, I actually mean go and find out the job description. Go and find out the role and responsibilities of that particular next level role. How do you do that? Pretty simple. Go to any job website, identify 3-4 different job descriptions. In that, you will get to see all of these things. Otherwise, if you're working in a company already, look at who is doing that role already. By observing them or by talking to them, you can uncover a lot of things which are needed at that particular role. So in your current role, you may be doing 10 things, but in the next role, you may be required to do 15 things. So what are those 5 things which you are not doing today? And for that, you may need a skill upgrade, you may need to learn some new skills, or you may need exposure to certain scenarios or situations where you are not exposed currently. So a combination of research with respect to the next level role and a dialogue with your next level supervisor and an opportunity to perform additional responsibility or your keen interest in learning a new tech or a domain. A combination of these things will help you get out of that rut. It will help you get out of that mindset that I am stuck in my current role. Some of these things can be done within the same company where you're working. And sometimes if it is not possible within the same company, then you may want to look outside. But then it will require a little extra analysis and caution. So identify your next logical move, the immediate next logical step, and take the necessary action. Don't overthink, because over-analysis of situation will result into career paralysis. Analyze enough, but then quickly get into action mode. Alright, I hope this helps you. Let me know your thoughts in comments. If you really like the video, do share it in your WhatsApp groups. It will help other people to benefit as well. I'll see you in another video soon. Take care and bye for now.